Welcome to Preyo Promo, where you learn quick tech tutorials to make your digital work easier. Want to share a Google Doc without ruining its formatting? In this tutorial, you'll learn how to quickly convert a Google Doc into a PDF in just a few clicks. Step 1. Open your Google document. Go to docsgoogle.com and open the document you want to convert. Make sure the text, layout, and formatting are finalized before converting it to PDF. Step 2. Access the File menu. Look at the top left corner of the Google Docs interface and click File. This will open a drop-down menu containing multiple document management options. If you enjoy quick tech tutorials like this, subscribe to Preyo Promo for more helpful guides. Step 3. Select the Download option. Inside the File menu, hover your cursor over the Download option. A list of formats will appear where you can choose different file types. Step 4. Choose PDF format. From the Download Formats list, select PDF document. .pdf. Google Docs will instantly convert your document into a PDF file. Step 5. Check your downloaded file after conversion. The PDF will automatically download to your computer. Open the file from your Downloads folder to confirm that everything looks correct. And that's how you can convert a Google Doc into a PDF while keeping your formatting perfectly intact. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to Preyo Promo for more simple and powerful tech tutorials.